Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where x input 1 4.dll is missing on your system while launching any game or application, then please watch this video. So the easiest method to fix it is to search for Microsoft C++ redistributable download. Okay, and then go to the first link on your browser, be it Google, be it Bing, in any case, the first link would be the same. Now for 32-bit computers, select the x86 version, and for 64-bit computers, select the x64 version. Click on this and click on the exe file to open it. Okay. Select I agree to the license and terms and conditions and click on this option. And it will start installing it, and this will fix the problem for most of the users. But if it does not, then simply search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.